Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Bitchin. So I started this new thing where I do unboxings live in front of you so that you get the same vibe or reaction as I do. So this is our Sephora Play box. I received it, I think this is the January box. This is the December box. I got it late. Yeah, let's see. Sorry. I think my camera is a little disheveled. Okay, anyway, so yeah, show off and share using Sephora Play. With every Sephora box we get a 50 insider points which you can redeem for other products later on. You can always order more, and then a pamphlet explaining these are the items that we will be getting most likely in this box. It's not to say that you will be getting all of them. Yeah, let's see. It's funny that usually we get a little bag with Sephora. Don't miss the last beauty hacks. Usually we get bags with Sephora. I guess this round we don't. Again, what did we get? What did we get? Rouge Gel Lip Liner. This is cute, and it doesn't come. Oh wait, where's the scissors? How cute is that? Nothing but nude. It's a little lip liner. Does it focus better? There we go. How cute is that? Okay, so I don't have a price for this, but this is basically a gel lip liner with a soft, super soft texture in the matte nude shade. It gives your lips a little extra oomph. This creamy liner glides over curves with ease for a fuller look. Okay, well I guess it's a normal lip liner to me. Anyway, okay, very cute. Then we got a clear improvement. Ooh, a charcoal mask. There. A charcoal mask. Well, most other people didn't get a mask. Still love it though. This is for once a week. Open pores with warm moist towel and layer on, allow dry rinse. Oh, it's open. See, I always wonder when it's open whether or not someone might have tested it, but yeah, I guess we're not allowed to. Yeah. Let's see. Hair care finishing spray. I guess this is like our normal hairspray. To wet or dry hair, spray at the roots to wet hair for extra lift before blow drying. How nice is that? That delivers volume, control and shine to hair. Well, that's nice for when you need volume. Rainforest of the Sea. Oh, it's a makeup remover gel cleanser. I love these. How does it smell? Ooh, that popped. Once again, open container. It's got a chemical smell to it. Then we have cooling matte skin. Ooh, I love primers. Another open. And a glowing lotion from Wonder Beauty. Just so it doesn't pop out. Oh, it's sealed. Since I have enough, I will put this in a giveaway. There we go, guys. A short little quick view of what we got in our Sephora Play. I see this one says June, which is strange because I got this in December. So strange. But anywho, ta-da! This is what we got. Yay! So tune in. We will be doing a couple of more boxes. I am waiting for new shipments to arrive this week, so I'll be posting more frequently. Sorry for keeping you waiting, but thank you for staying tuned and subscribing. Thanks, guys. Bye.